ในครั้งวิดีโอนี้ชมหนึ่งมือให้ในตัวอักนี้ของปีมอดแพกมวยได้ช่วยดาวไมค์กราสไววอร์บอลในตัวอักนี้การแต่สู้เล่นจึงมุนโปรวิมินมุงงี้ไกลสมรู้จิตรานhello ก็ได้ยินสุดได้แต่การในตัวอักนี้ดังกำปงเต็มมือวิดีโอมือนี้ให้ก็สวากุ้มกันชนะระบอกยมมาสเตอร์ไนให้วิดีโอนี้ได้ชมหนึ่งรีวิวตัวเลยไมค์กรามอดแพกมวยได้มีชมว่าอุลตร้ามารีนมุนหนึ่งจดแต่การวิดีโอส่งคอมเพลต subscribe หนึ่งไลค์นั่นเลยวิดีโอนี้พ้องบาทอะไรชมการวิดีโอว่าเยอะให้ภาษาที่น่าออกนี่ก็เล่นเมื่อแต่เกมขังสนามได้ระบอกชมนี้คือน่าออกนี่บ้านเคยไตรวิสัยนึงมองคือลอยคลายเหมือนกันให้มันตรมใต้บนน้องหมดเพลงมินิกับบ้านมันแทมเนื้อ FPS để nóนี่อาจมือเกมระบอกไหนตัวออกนี่จังคือมุกนี้มันได้คือทัวร์เนี่ยตัวออกนี่สู้เล่นจึงมุนเหมือนกันโดยเฉพาะเนื้อเปย์ยุบจังเนี่ยออกนี่อาจดังถ่ามองมันจังนั้นออกนี่ให้เนี่ยออกนี่ก็อาจดังปีกไหลหน้าเดินออกนี่สปอนคือยังเป็นตรีวิสัยสลับให้หนึ่ง FPS คือเนี่ยให้อาจมือดังทางเกมบอลนี้รันบันสมูทครั้งกับปนนะอย่าโดยยมบอจงจังคือรันบัน30หรือก็หอสับ FPS จังนั้นออกนี่คือวิสูมือให้หนึ่งทัวร์ยังการจองเล่นคลายยิมุนเนี่ยออกนี่แล้วนี่ยังโจมมาดอกក្នុង setting នៅពេលដែលងារបើក setting មកបាទគឺថាមានរបស់អ្វីថ្មីអ្នកនរគ្នាអាចឃើញនៅលើ screen បានបាទគឺថានៅលើចំណុចអាហារគឺវាមាន load ឈាមនៅកន្លែងហ្នឹងតែម្ដងបាទដូចអ្នកនរគ្នាឃើញអញ្ចឹងបាទគឺយើងញ៉ាំទៅវាពេញប្រហែលបំពង់អញ្ចឹងអ្នកនរគ្នាហើយនេះគឺជាពងសัตว์ហើយនៅមានអ្វីថ្មីទៀតនៅក្នុង setting អ្នកនរគ្នាដែលវាប្រាប់យើងស្រេចមកប្រាប់យើងពី function ពីមុខងាររបស់ item នីមួយគឺមកផេកមួយនេះគឺអែមខ្លាំងមែនទែនអ្នកនរគ្នាដាក់ចូលក្នុង survival world របស់អ្នកនរគ្នាដឹងតែកប់តែម្ដងបាទឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំកំពុងតែរកមើលបាទនេះដូចជាសភៅអញ្ចឹងអ្នកនរគ្នាសភៅហ្នឹងគឺវាមាន logo បន្ថែមមកជាមួយនឹងfont អក្សរថ្មីហើយនឹងមានលេខរ៉ូម៉ាំងអ្នកនរគ្នាដូចឃើញលេខរ៉ូម៉ាំងអញ្ចឹងបាទគឺលេខរ៉ូម៉ាំងកាន់តែច្បាស់អ្នកនរគ្នាស្រួលមើលខ្លាំងជាងមុនអ្នកនរគ្នាហើយកន្លែងនេះគឺឌីណាអ្នកនរគ្នាបាទហើយយើងមើលជាបន្តទៀតទៅអ្នកនរគ្នាឃើញ potion អ្នកនរគ្នាគឺលយខ្លាំងមែនទែនអ្នកនរគ្នាគឺវាបានដាក់រូបនៅលើ potion ហ្នឹងតែម្ដងដើម្បីឲ្យអ្នកនរគ្នាស្រួលដឹងថា potion ហ្នឹងគឺជា potion អីណាអ្នកនរគ្នាហ្នឹងហើយហើយដូចជាអ្នកនរគ្នាបានឃើញស្រាប់ហើយគឺ survival យើងត្រូវការអាហ្នឹងខ្លាំងមែនទែនហើយដល់ពេល mod pack មួយហ្នឹងគឺបានដាក់យើងស្រាប់មកយើងស្រួលលេងខ្លាំងមែនទែនអ្នកនរគ្នាហើយកន្លែងនេះគឺអាវុធគឺ tool វាក៏បានផ្លាស់ប្ដូរដែរអ្នកនរគ្នាគឺលយជាងមុនហើយបន្តិចទៀតខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញ tool ដល់អ្នកនរគ្នាបាទហើយដូចជានៅក្នុង inventory មានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងឯងអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំនាំអ្នកនរគ្នាទៅមើលអ្វីថ្មីជាបន្តទៀត let's go អញ្ចឹងកន្លែងនេះខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញអ្នកនរគ្នាអំពីអ្វីដែលវាបានកែប្រែនៅក្នុងchest ឬមួយក៏នៅពេលដែលយើងក្រា item នៅពេលដែលយើងដុតអញ្ចឹងណាអ្នកនរគ្នាគឺវាមានរូបភាព background ថ្មីអញ្ចឹងណាអ្នកនរគ្នាគឺវាងាយស្រួលនឹងវាតាក់ទាញខ្លាំងទេអ្នកនរគ្នាអញ្ចឹងយើងចូលមកមើលមកបាទដូចជានៅក្នុង smoking នេះគឺវាបានកែអ្នកនរគ្នាដូចជាឃើញសមកបិតអញ្ចឹងណាអ្នកនរគ្នាវាបានកែ background ណាហើយលោតែនៅពេលដែលអ្នកនរគ្នាចង់ក្រាស់ចង់អីដូចជានៅក្នុងអានេះប្រាប់ដុតរ៉ែអ្នកនរគ្នាគឺវាបានកែប្រែពី Minecraft original នេះអស់នេះដូចជា crafting table នេះវ៉ាវអ្នកនេះមើលលឹងពឿលឹងដុតហ្មងលឹងស្អាតហ្មងអ្នកនេះហើយនេះគឺជាប្រាប់ក្រាស់ map ឯងប្រាប់ក្រាស់ map ហ្នឹងឯងអ្នកនេះគឺវាមាន map មាន Google លើហ្នឹងហើយនេះគឺជាប្រាប់យើងធ្វើ netherite ឬក៏ mod stream មកអ្នកនេះចំណែកឯយើងមកមើលនេះ enchanting table អ្នកនេះគឺវាបានប្រាប់ពីអ្វីដែលយើងគួរ enchant ណាអ្វីដែលយើងគួរ enchant ទៅលើដាវលើអាមររបស់យើងវាបានប្រាប់ទៅលើនឹងស្រេចអ្នកនរគ្នាអញ្ចឹងស្រួលខ្លាំងមែនទេអ្នកនរគ្នាគ្រាន់តែមកដឹងថាណាល្អហើយនៅក្នុង Envy វាមានសរសេរអក្សរនៅលើហ្នឹងដូចជា YouTuber anime ដូចជាឈ្មោះអីចឹងអ្នកនរគ្នាចង់ដាក់ឈ្មោះសัตว์របស់អ្នកនរគ្នាឈ្មោះអីចឹងគឺវាមានឈ្មោះនៅលើហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងអ្នកនរគ្នាចង់ដាក់តាមហ្នឹងក៏បានដែរលយខ្លាំងមែនទេបន្តមកទៀតតែប៉ុណ្ណឹងក្នុង channel របស់យើងក៏បានដូរ color ថ្មីដែរអ្នកនរគ្នាហើយចូលមកក្នុង channel មកអ្នកនរគ្នាឃើញរូបខ្ញុំអត់ហើយឃើញឈាមឃើញ food របស់ខ្ញុំនៅលើនឹងលោខ្លាំងតែអ្នកនរគ្នាឃើញរូបខ្ញុំឈឺដល់អញ្ចឹងហើយយើងបើកមកកាន់ ấy cái anh ấy theo Porsche nó hay à min play rồi chơi min play hà nó có ban đô của nó đó này video của nó unique khang mình tên hay Braille giờ Braille có ban đô đấy này ở này hay bây giờ bạc máu cứ nói khang mình tênนี่ก็ชื่อไรดอกบอวีบ้านเนี่ยอ๋อนี่เคยเนี่ยเกมนั่นเลยนั่งงอเนี่ยอ่ะพอเกมนั่นเลยไรนั่นคือวิมินจุดน้อยพิเศษครั้งนี้คือวีไอเอาเนี่ยอ๋อนี่เมื่อเคยไรจะบ้าจึงมนอย่าดูเนี่ยอ๋อนี่โจนเคยจังนะเคยได้มนเคยไอจุงการอ๋อนี่บ้านจะบารอมตีหัวใต้ดอกไปวิดาเกมนั่งเมาส์คือเนี่ยเมื่อเคยจะบ้าแต่หลงคือเคยได้มนตั้งได้มนมองเนี่ยอ๋อนี่โอเคน้องนี่ให้ผมติ๊กติ๊กนี่ชมนึงโชว์ตัวเลยอาวุธตัวเลยไอเทมทูลจุนเนี่ยต่อขึ้นนี่ป่ะต่อน้องเนี่ยเราเยอะมาเมื่ออาวุธบอกวิบานนี่คือดาไก่ร้อนน้องนี่เมื่อเตอบ่าคือviệc ban đố hay diamond shot also น้องนี่เมื่อคือviệc ban แกปีมันก็ธรรมดาน้องนี่คือviệcมีที่จุดแปลกทำไมให้วิโรจน์จุดมันวิมินก็ colorful จุดมันน้องนี่คือโดยประทายได้ก็ยังมืดดังหมดแล้วประทายได้ให้ประทายได้มันviệc ban đô hoặc là can nó này ông này hay riêng phứ khăn gì môn này ông này vậy hay netherite egg also này ông này cứ khơi máu cứ đợi trong prao món này ông này hay Minecraft nó ông này cứ trong lên khăn tên giờ cứ việc ban plap đô thì chụp pack từng function cứ miếng crop từng o món để survival player trai ca cho nó họ này chân nhỏ này trong vô tư đầm bay thua ca lên trong Minecraft survival bọn nhỏ này cứ trơ mày tèm lòng bà để chỉ pickaxe lại ní bà pickaxe nhưng sẽ lấy pickaxe những cái bà mà forever one guys pickaxe lôi mà ok ba này tao khi trong video bỏ trong cứ nhìn tập bọn ai ở con này ở này để ban mơ video này một loại chụp lệnh đi hay này đó khi ai xả đòn ba nó trong description này tao khi I hope you enjoy it